are several cable connections and locations within an Intelli Hood system. In this video, we will show you how to confirm your connections are properly connected. It is important to verify that all the cables are shielded, tight, and corrosion-free. Also check that the outputs and inputs are not switched. The connections go as follows. Optic cables connected from the sensor to the air purge unit. The air purge unit and temperature sensors are connected to the hood controller and in the correct ports. The hood controller can be connected to another hood controller if more than one hood is connected to the system. Also, the hood controller is connected directly to the system controller. There are also connections that go from the drives to the system controller. Sometimes when there is a communication issue, it could be from a bad connection from the drive or the receptacle. If there is more than one drive, plug the drives to one another in a daisy chain, and keeping only one drive plugged to the system controller. Also check that the connections to the motor are tight and cables are shielded. If a cable is loose, it will cause a short, especially at the disconnect switch. Water or moisture can also cause the system to trip.